God bless you. Hi. How are you? What do you think? Hey, can I get some more smiles? Can I get... There it is. Hi. Oh, hi. This is Frankie James at 2 months. Hey, who's that baby? Who's that baby? Who's that baby? Who's that baby? Yeah, that's a cute little baby. That's a cute little baby. Yeah, I think your big brother's waking up. Do you love your big brother? Frank. Here. Oh, what is that? Who's that baby? Can Mama get a smile? Can Mama get another smile? Can you guys smile to Mama? Oh, thank you.